How to unlock a locked keyboard. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if your keyboard is locked, here are a few suggestions that you can apply. So for the first one, open settings. So once you have opened settings, click on accessibility from the left side of your screen. Now scroll down until you find keyboard. Tap on it, and then you have to make sure that the filter keys has been turned off. If it is toggled on, make sure to toggle it off. Now the next suggestion that you can try is updating the driver. So for that, you have to open device driver or device manager. Once you open your device manager, click on keyboard. Once you click on keyboard, you have to right click on the driver that you have selected and click on update driver. You can also try uninstalling the device driver and installing it again. This can also help to fix the issue. So this were some of the suggestions that you can apply. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.